Affordable franchises focus on lower investment models designed to launch fast without heavy build-outs. Think home and commercial services, mobile/van based concepts, cleaning, tutoring, or niche B2B. The appeal: modest upfront costs, manageable staffing, and quicker path to break even. A franchise consultant helps you make affordable, truly viable. They define your total project cost, franchise fee, equipment, marketing, and working capital, compare royalties and fixed costs, and stress test unit economics for your market. They curate brands that fit your budget, map territory availability, and arrange validation calls to confirm real ramp times and margins. They also assemble a funding stack, SBA 7A, ROBS, equipment financing, or grants, so you keep cash flexible. FranchiseFind connects you with vetted consultants who turn a long list of low-cost options into a short, data-backed plan you can start confidently.